Welcome to a place untouched by foot and unseen from above the surface of the water, where silence has a voice, and beauty has a form unlike anything you've ever known on land. Here, beneath the ocean's surface, the story of life begins in its oldest, most mysterious, and most diverse form. In the depths of the sea, a world is born that knows no boundaries. It is a world inhabited by the blue pulse, breathing a rhythm different from anything we know. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, yet despite its vast expanse, it remains one of the least known places. The deeper we delve into it, the more we discover that it is too vast to be summarized and too profound to be understood in a single glance. Here, in the heart of the blue, life pulsates in all its diversity, from the smallest microscopic organisms to the largest creatures on Earth. Under the sunlight gently penetrating the surface, particles of light dance on the backs of colorful fish, algae, and coral sway like heavenly gardens planted by nature on the seabed. Life begins near coral reefs, these amazing living structures, built by tiny organisms called coral polyps, like silent workers constructing cities of colorful beauty. Coral reefs stretching for miles have become home to thousands of creatures, from clownfish that hide among anemones to parrotfish that eat coral, then turn it into soft white sand. Coral reefs are like the tropical forests of the sea, the epicenter of biodiversity and the cradle of complex interactions. Every organism here knows its role. Like a musical system whose playing is inaudible, but whose results can be clearly seen, vibrant. Fish move in dazzling colors in precise harmony, like moving mosaic pieces. Butterfly fish, angelfish, and dragonfish. They all roam the reefs as if in a constant display. You see the octopus hiding among the rocks, changing color and shape in an instant, watching with keen eyes, then disappearing as if it had never existed. You see the lionfish, with its venomous filaments, swimming in deadly calm, its beauty concealing hidden danger. In the quiet corners of the reef, we find small seahorses clinging to the seaweed, as if they don't want to be swept away by the currents. You can see crabs hiding among the reefs, emerging occasionally to pick up scraps of food, then disappearing with lightning speed. But this world doesn't stop at the reefs. The deeper we descend, the more everything changes. Colors begin to fade, and light turns to shadow, then to complete darkness. In these abysmal depths, where there is neither light nor warmth, another life emerges, unlike anything above. Creatures with strange shapes glow in the dark, living in a seemingly impossible environment. Fish with bioluminescent lights on their heads, which they use to attract prey. Jellyfish emit a blue light in the deep blackness, like stars immersed in darkness. There, deep down, lurks the sleeping monster. The giant squid, which humanity has only seen in rare moments. A true marine legend, it possesses massive arms and some of the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. The shark, master of the ocean, slinks silently, needing no show of strength. Its graceful movements, powerful jaws, and keen senses make it a unique predator, maintaining the balance of the marine environment. Despite its fearsome reputation, it is one of the creatures most threatened by humans. Underwater, there is no room for randomness. Every movement has meaning, and every creature plays a specific role in the chain of life. Algae produce oxygen, crustaceans clean the bottom, fish consume and recycle nutrients, even dead organisms are brought back to life through a continuous cycle of decomposition and feeding. In some areas, you can see huge schools of fish moving as a single mass, in dazzling harmony, as if they were a single living entity. Their movements are precise, as if they were rehearsed for this display, without emitting a single sound. It's an amazing evolutionary behavior that helps them escape predators and makes the sea an unforgettable visual spectacle. Then we come to sea turtles, these demure creatures that have roamed the ocean for millions of years. They return to the same shores where they were born to lay their eggs, a journey of thousands of kilometers, driven by an unerring instinct. Then come the dolphins. Playful, social, intelligent creatures. They communicate through clicks and whistles, play with each other, and greet divers with showy jumps. Dolphins are not just beautiful creatures, they possess complex consciousness, exhibiting behaviors that resemble compassion and assistance. But this fascinating world faces increasing threats. Rising ocean temperatures are causing coral reefs to bleach, lose their color, and then die. Plastic pollution is filling the seas. Millions of tons of waste float and sink, being swallowed by marine creatures, who suffocate to death. Overfishing is destroying the balance and threatening species with extinction. Despite all this, hope still exists. Environmental awareness is growing, and global initiatives to protect the seas are spreading. Marine reserves are helping restore balance, and scientists are working to cultivate coral reefs and revive degraded ecosystems. Some cities around the world have even begun to create artificial reefs, placing them on the seabed to provide a new environment for life to thrive. Technology is entering forcefully today, with underwater robots monitoring marine life and advanced cameras documenting what we could never have dreamed of seeing before. We too have a role to play. Every plastic bottle we don't throw into the sea, every support we give to conservation projects, every awareness we share, is a step toward protecting this blue world. When we protect the ocean, we protect the earth. The ocean is not just a home for life, it is the lungs of the planet, the regulator of the Earth's climate, and a source of food for more than half the world's population. At the end of this journey, let us pause for a moment of silence in awe of the majesty of what we have seen. We, as humans, live on the surface of the earth, but right beneath our feet lies an entire kingdom of beauty, danger, and balance. A kingdom that never sees the sun, yet contains enough light to illuminate our consciousness and awaken a sense of responsibility. The ocean is not as silent as it seems, it speaks, but in a language heard only by the heart. It calls out to you to see it, to understand it, to love it, and then to protect it. If you enjoyed this journey into the depths of the sea, support us with a like and subscribe to the channel for more documentaries that take you to amazing worlds that can only be discovered with open eyes and a soul ready to be amazed. Share your opinion with us. What creature has amazed you the most? Do you think this world could flourish again if we all stood up to protect it? Thank you for watching. We'll see you on your next adventure, from the heart of nature, where true beauty lies.